it's me, and yes, I'm back, and this is an all-new season of Social Media Star with Janice, presented by Ajio, your best place to shop for the world's top brands with the boldest discounts. I hope आप excited हो for season number 5. I know I am, क्योंकि मुझे करना है jive. मेरे guests के careers कर रहे हैं thrive, but I will stop this nonsense now because we are live. 3, 2, 1, action.
फिर मेरी जिंदगी में glad bangles आए. What is Kalinga? It sounds like a bomb.
तो मेरा तो सारा ही ट्विटर फिर शिट पोस्ट
और वो चटनी.
Guys, मैंने
इट्स ओके टू बी पागल.
No.
These balls are all over the place.
Okay.
क्या हो गया तुम मेरा?
I don't even like momos. Huh?
Should we leave?
So I need you guys to remember 2 things before I introduce my guests. Number 1, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. And number 2, episode ध्यान से देखना, huh? Because in every episode, 5 of you stand to win vouchers worth 5,000 rupees from Ajio. Alright guys, drum roll, no more waiting. My first guest for the season, Aditya Prateek Singh Sisodia, aka Bad Boy Shah, aka Badshah. Please say hello to Meera Rajput Kapoor.
AKA Meera Rajput Kapoor.
I was like,
दोनों ही राजपूत हो गए.
huh,
I
but
just realized.
oh, even I didn't know that. Good, nice. See, starting me familiarity. Okay. So the big question that Meera and I have now, we'll just say it out loud. What should we call you on this show?
आदित्य.
Are you okay with that?
I don't think
मैंने
I
खुद ही
am.
वैसे-
I'm feeling that it's a little. It doesn't fit.
Yeah. It's like, who's Aditya? We.
वैसे बिट्टू भी बोल सकते हो अगर ज्यादा ही फिटिंग वाली चीज चाहिए.
You know, now people's Insta names are their real names. So,
हाँ.
but Badshah.
But okay.
Badshah.
I mean, I'm okay with calling you Aditya, and I might slip into AD, Adi, Bittu, depending on how comfortable we
Adi.
get. Adi.
Adi.
Yeah. It could get into many nicknames.
Okay.
I love giving people nicknames. We should give Meera one as well. I feel like right at the top of the show.
मीरा is a very nice name.
Meera, what do people call
मीरा
you?
को निक कैसे करें? मीरा.
घर पे क्या बुलाते हो तुमको मीरा?
Meera only.
नहीं सच्ची बताओ.
नहीं सच कुछ.
It's such a short name. I mean, now how much shorter
मतलब
do
कि
you
मम्मी
make
ने
it?
कभी कोई
No,
nickname
we
नहीं
have
दिया?
plenty. My dad used to come up with one new nickname a day
How
for
much
me,
was? Like-
which is I'm not going to tell anyone.
अरे what is this? उसने बता दिया बिट्टू.
हाँ मतलब जो लड़कियां होती है जनरली पापा उनके लिए बड़े प्यार से नाम हर रोज ही रख देते हैं. है ना? मतलब बड़े अजीब से नाम होते हैं. मेरी बहन का नाम कटोरी था. मेरे को आज तक नहीं पता.
कटोरी. एक कटोरी is Karthik dog's name.
Is it?
चलो मुझे एक और
Things
वेपन
I
मिल गया.
know thanks to Instagram and the internet.
अपनी बहन के अगेंस्ट एक और वेपन मिल गया.
So you're not going to tell us your nickname?
No.
Fine guys. It's
Nobody
okay.
knows my nickname.
लेकिन जब आप पैदा हुए थे तभी मीरा रखा था क्योंकि जब नाम लिखवाना होता है हॉस्पिटल में तो कुछ रैंडम सा नाम लिख देते हैं.
This story has been told to me 100 times when I was born, like 3-4 in the morning. So my dad goes back home and my sisters were getting ready for school. And
3-4 in the morning.
I was born at 3-4 in the
अच्छा,
morning, so
हाँ.
he went home
Okay.
after that. And they told me that he opened the bathroom door and he just said, "How about Meera?" And that is just how it
वाह.
was.
वाह.
यूरेका.
Eureka.
हमारा ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. मतलब I think my mother had to come up with like we had to go through books and all that. And your dad was just like दरवाजा खोला मीरा.
Back in the day, I know like my dad wasn't named till he was 3. You know, Punjabi households, you
Yeah.
give a pet name, you know,
Yeah.
whatever.
Which is why
Bunty,
we were
sweetie,
like
whatever.
very
मेरा
sure you
1.5
have a
साल
pet
तक
name.
मेरा 1.5 साल तक प्रिंस ही चलता रहा. प्रिंस.
Yeah. And then when he had to go to school, they said, अब नाम तो रखना पड़ेगा.
वही होता है. स्कूल के टाइम नाम याद आता है.
तो प्रिंस मतलब वहां से आया बादशाह. वहां से.
बादशाह.
So basically prince when you were younger and then when you became older you're like बादशाह.
हाँ जी.
Not bad. But guys, I have to tell you, ये जो आपकी pairing है ना, एक तो मैं कह दूं कि मतलब मेरे I think of my 5 seasons मेरी most अतरंगी pairing है. क्योंकि in my head I just don't know but it clicked. And I also feel like ये सबसे fast pairing हुई है. मतलब I literally sent messages to your managers और 5 मिनट में हाँ हो गया. हाँ, this is a good pairing.
We are fast like that.
हाँ.
Yeah.
But why were you all excited to sit with each other? Like आप लोगों को क्यों लगा कि मतलब हाँ ये जोड़ी अच्छी रहेगी बैठने के लिए?
पर एक मिलना ड्यू था काफी टाइम.
Yeah, we are Insta buddies
हाँ.
actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
this I didn't know. मतलब बताओ.
एक बार आप चंडीगढ़ भी आए थे जब
Yes.
पाजी शूट कर रहे थे फॉर जर्सी ही वाज शूटिंग इन
पाजी being शाहिद.
शाहिद ऑलमोस्ट मिलना ही था बिकॉज चंडीगढ़ इज माय होम टाउन एंड शी वाज देयर बट तब भी नहीं हो पाया बट वैसे भी बैक एंड फोर्थ चलता ही रहता है
I'll tell you the funny version of this
हाँ,
story.
yeah. Because Aditya has come with serious glasses today. And he's told me
Everyone
and
has
Meera,
to see his very serious glasses.
yeah, I'm like, you've chosen social media star with Janice, where I tell all my guests कि आके मजे करो to be serious.
बट फनी वर्जन क्या थी इसकी
हाँ, बता.
So I was in Chandigarh. I put up a story on my Instagram, and he's like, "आप चंडीगढ़ में हो?" I said, "हाँ, दिला दे घर." You remember that? You know, sometimes you laugh at your own jokes so much because you feel like I really killed it with that line. So
I
he,
swear,
so
that's what she wrote.
he said-
हाँ दिला देगा
And then we started talking after that. So I went to Nick Baker's. So Nick Baker's is this quintessential Chandigarh cafe
Wow.
where you get all
You
these
definitely
like
know Chandigarh.
cakes and pastries. You know, like that old school bakery
Yeah,
vibe.
Nick Bakers, you can send me some products
Please.
now that we have done free publicity.
Yeah, like the cookies and all. So
Yeah, that's what I would also like.
I
Yeah.
had taken my kids there and again put up a picture
Of course.
of the rainbow cake and he's like, Bhabs, you have to try the Kit Kat cake. पता है Nick Bakers में सारे cakes अच्छे हैं
कुछ
तो
भी
सब
डालो।
try कर लो.
I also like that he went quickly to Bhabs.
Which is what I thought was so sweet.
Bhabs.
Yeah.
It's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
So Shahid is Paji and she's Bhabs.
Shahid
So
is
there are only two people in the world who call me Bhabs. Ishan and Badshah.
सोचो रियल लाइफ में बिल्कुल मिले नहीं है बट इंस्टाग्राम पे भाब्स हो गए.
हो गए.
नाइस नाइस. ओके भाब्स, आई वांट टू टेल यू कि आप और बिट्टू में काफी सारी कॉमन चीज है. ओके, वन तो यू हैव टू बी लिविंग अंडर द बिगेस्ट रॉक पॉसिबल इफ यू हैव नॉट हर्ड एनी ऑफ बादशाह सॉन्ग्स. मतलब आई फील लाइक दिस सॉन्ग यूज्ड टू हॉन्ट मी इन द मिडिल ऑफ द नाइट कि इतने रील्स बने थे ये गाने पे.
प्यार में चुमकू जैसे जुगनू
मतलब बादशाह, आफ्टर अ पॉइंट यू आल्सो मस्ट हैव बीन फेड अप ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग ना.
It would have taken me 2 years to learn that.
Why?
There are just so many things going on at the same time.
पता है वो
Please.
देखने में औखा लगता है लेकिन जब करने जाओ ना मैंने भी जब वो
तो चौका लगता है.
गुड वन बट जब मैं गया
नाइस
तो
वन, नाइस वन, नाइस वन. हाई फाइव्स ऑफ बिगार.
मैंने वो स्टेप देखा तो मैंने कहा हाँ चलो ये तो जो हमारी लीड है वो करेंगे ना. नहीं निकल सर आप करोगे. मेरे हाथ पैर फूल गए.
हाँ, तो आप
बट वो इजी है. एक बार हो जाए तो फिर इजी है. अब मैं सारी जगह ये करता हूँ. सारी जगह जहाँ नहीं भी कर रहा तो वहां पे कर देता हूँ.
रात के बीच में ही बादशाह को उठा के उड़ा बादशाह करो.
बट
जो
जब मैं
बोलो
सीख रहा था तो लिटरली रात को बीच बीच में यूं करते रहा.
But see, okay, did you know that Meera also has this talent?
Did you know? He's just thinking this is not my song.
तुम्हारा आपका गाना नहीं है बिट्टू जी, नहीं है आपका गाना.
इमोशनल हो गया.
She has this. I mean, I've been ऐसे मतलब कई सारे clips है मीरा के Instagram पे, and I was watching them and I'm like, bro.
मैं फॉलो करता हूँ इनको बाय द वे.
हाँ.
और बाय द वे इन्होंने आज सुबह ही फॉलो किया मुझे.
You can't say this.
That is great. That is good.
I'm very bad with following
No,
and
which
all.
is fine.
But I keep up with what everyone is doing, whether I follow or not.
You were chatting with him. You're like, चंडीगढ़ में दिला दे घर.
No, I don't know how that happened. Like we were just
नहीं
talking.
हो जाता है
and-
सीरियसली. मतलब मेरे को
Yeah.
भी कितने टाइम बाद पता चला मैं फॉलो ही नहीं कर रहा था एक बंदे को और मैं बात कर रहा था उससे.
That is.
ये बात नॉर्मल है जाने से आपको ही पता है.
नहीं यार, I thought कोई मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ DM पे बात करते हैं, they follow each other. Especially if you gel on DM. Okay, clearly not DMing you guys, expecting a follow back. But म्यूजिक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं बिकॉज आई फील लाइक ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन यू स्पोक अ लॉट अबाउट हाउ म्यूजिक वाज थेरेपी फॉर यू. इट हेल्प्ड यू थ्रू अ रियली डार्क फेज. you've gone back to your childhood love which I believe आपने 10 की उम्र में छोड़ दिया था. Is music therapeutic? Because I feel like that's the first common thing I want to talk to you guys about.
No, but
मजे
I want to
करने.
listen to her point of view.
Okay.
Because she left. I want to know why you left also.
So I was like, you know, I'm a mom myself. You're putting your kids into all these different classes and all that. I think my dad really wanted me to play the piano, and I wanted to do that for him. So I started going for these piano classes, and I would enjoy it. But my school would get over at 3. By the time I would go for that class, I would be so tired with a headache that I started associating piano with a headache.
Oh.
So I left it. Like I finished my exams, I did my grade 3 and all of that, and then I just left it. But every time I would listen to music, all I would be thinking about is how my fingers would be moving and how I would learn and do that.
And
So
वो lesson होता है वो bowl वाला, and then you turn it.
I mean, for me, it was instinctive because even when I was like 3, I used to play by ear. Like I would listen to a song and I could start playing it on the piano.
Oh.
So that phase where it was regimented just didn't do very well for me. So I felt like now that I've gotten back to it and I play the songs that I like to listen to myself and I can like figure out, okay, this would be the next thing that I can play. I do feel it is therapeutic because it's a feeling. Like music is a feeling. It comes from inside. So for me, it's like it is the piano, and I love to listen to myself playing because it's so soothing.
And you got back to it during lockdown or before that?
So I didn't have a piano till now. Like
हाँ,
when
ये
I'm-
अभी जो घर देख रहे हैं हम काफी, हाँ, इसमें grand piano fit होता है.
But when we were planning the house only, I said, I have to have a piano. My parents bribed me back then. We'll get you a piano, you continue playing. And I was like, no way, I'm not going to do this. Leave me alone. It's my
But
first
this
moment of
घर
rebellion.
you designed around the grand piano,
Yes.
basically. कि मतलब वो top
Literally
angle
around the-
beautiful shot आना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Instagrammable, very
Yeah.
important.
Yeah.
And what about you? I remember आपके कई सारे lives में आपने बात किया था about like music, like taking you through dark times and through low times.
Yeah, so there was a phase in my life where I was literally like I left music. कि मैं music नहीं करूँ. I decided consciously not to do music anymore because it was affecting my personal life. But then I realized कि I have no personal life. Music is all I have because जब मैं उससे अलग हुआ, I went to depression. Literally, like it was the darkest phase of my life. And I remember I was in London and I was coming back to India. I was in flight and my panic attacks had just started. So I didn't know. The first panic attack I got, I thought मेरे को heart attack आ गया. And then I decided कि भाई मेरे को कुछ भी हो, मेरे को अपनी ज़मीन पे मरना है at least. Like whatever happens to me has to happen in India. And then I decided to go back to India. And I was in flight and I was sweating like I just took a shower. And the passenger next to me was like terrified कि वो सोच रही पता नहीं क्या हो गया. But then in the middle of the flight, I remember I took my phone out, I started writing, and I felt fine. And that's when I knew कि this is it. This is going to be it for the rest of my life. Everything else is, I don't know. I don't know about anything else, but music is all I have.
So basically that day you discovered that actually your first love before anything else is music. I mean, that's...
I don't know if love cannot describe the feeling that I have for music.
It's a part of your being.
It's,
Yeah,
If
part of your
there's
soul.
every time I am thinking of music. But one beautiful thing that she said, probably when she was made to learn piano, is when she didn't want to do it. You know, but now she wants to do it. And once you get into music, the joy that goes away is कि अब मैं कुछ भी सुनता हूँ मैं उसको decipher करने लग जाता हूँ कि अच्छा ये ऐसे हुआ ये ऐसे हुआ ये ऐसे हुआ. I go behind the science. वो feeling आनी बंद हो जाती है. मतलब पिछले 5-6 सालों में कुछ ही ऐसे गाने होंगे जो मैंने सिर्फ सुने होंगे कि ये मैंने सिर्फ सुनने हैं. ये बने कैसे ये नहीं सोचना.
जैसे?
कोक स्टूडियो ठगियाँ. मतलब चले ही जा रहा है वो, चले ही जा रहा है, चले ही जा रहा है. कोई भी बियॉन्ड माय थॉट है ना, मतलब जैसे ठगियाँ इज सच अ सिंपल सॉन्ग बट व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्पोजिशन एंड क्या आवाजें हैं. कोल्ड प्ले, जस्ट I cannot even dare to disintegrate.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
just a beautiful piece of music. You just listen to it and keep on listening to it. Yeah, ज़्यादा serious हो गया.
नहीं, glasses came in handy for that perfectly. Because the next common thing I want to talk to you guys about, of course, is fashion. Ajio पे, by the way, guys, आपको मिलेंगे 4,000 plus brands and over 1 million styles. And guys, I mean, just look at his shoes. Just look at his shoes.
Yeah.
I mean,
Do you want to switch?
Want to switch?
I
Like,
would.
I think we have a collage of all of. मतलब ऐसा कोई ब्रांड है जिसके कपड़े आपके पास नहीं है, और ऐसा कोई स्नीकर ब्रांड है जिसके जूते आपने खरीदे नहीं है?
नहीं,
सबका कुछ ना कुछ है।
सबका कुछ ना कुछ।
भाई मुझे तो लग रहा है कि आज इनके साथ एक सेपरेट सिक्योरिटी गार्ड आनी चाहिए थी, जब से मुझे पता है कि उनके
I
हाथ
can
पे-
be that.
Yeah, मीरा let's not joke.
मतलब मेरा सिक्योरिटी गार्ड देख रहे हो तुम? उनके कितने सिक्योरिटी
You know,
गार्ड
I can walk in with the track.
Yeah, walking with what would that track be?
Suggest.
चुल लड़की ब्यूटीफुल। या
When did this love affair with fashion begin? Like when did you start collecting? Are you a collector now, or are you just doing it because you like it?
यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है, और मतलब आजकल बहुत बच्चे स्नीकर हेड करते हैं,
हाँ.
बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि स्नीकर हेड आजकल ना लोग देख के होते हैं कि अरे ये है वो है, पर मुझे जेन्युइनली शूज से बहुत प्यार है। अब पता नहीं वो खाए इतने इसलिए प्यार हो गया लेकिन मुझे मतलब राइट फ्रॉम द कैनवस शूज दैट वी यूज्ड टू वेयर इन द स्कूल,
Correct, हाँ.
उनसे
PT के
लेकर
लिए.
पीटी के लिए
हाँ.
मैं शू डिजाइन करता था बचपन में।
बचपन
Really?
में?
हाँ, तो मैं कॉपियां भरता था, तो मेरे पापा मेरे को एक जूते की फैक्ट्री ले गए, एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा उनका, नाउ दे विल रिग्रेट। तो उनको मैंने देखा
I'm dying to know.
Me too.
मैं 12 साल का
क्या
था,
है?
मैं 12 साल का था, मैं क्या मुझे फैक्ट्री लेके चलो, मैं उनको अपने डिजाइन दिखाने हैं। तो पापा बेचारे कहीं से लेके गए मुझे फैक्ट्री, मैंने उनको डिजाइन दिखाया, कहते अच्छा है, क्या करें लाइक बहुत ही अंडर रेटेड स्नीकर गेम शाहिद पाजी की भी है, वो ज्यादा वो नहीं करते, बट द किक्स दैट ही हैज, मतलब मुझे याद है जब मेरी उनसे रिसेंटली बात होना शुरू हुई, लेकिन जब बात भी नहीं होती तब भी मैं उनके किक्स पे कमेंट करता था, भाई बोरिस बज्जिन आपने पहना,
Oh God, they're like 4 or 5 of the same looking ones. I'm like, what is the difference?
Oh wait, so you're not a sneakerhead at all?
No, I like shoes, but you know, sneakers is a different vibe.
बट जो उनके
It's-
पास है ना, वो बहुत क्लासी, मतलब बोरिस बज्जन है उनके पास, मेसन मार्जिला के वो जो वैक्स्ड वो वाले हैं, वो बहुत कम लोगों को पता है कि कितने सही स्नीकर्स हैं वो, बट हिज गेम इज ए ग्रेड।
I have to tell you a funny story.
हाँ, say ना.
So when we were moving into to our new place,
With
and
the grand piano and
Yes.
that amazing
Yeah.
staircase, yeah.
so the most prime real estate was for our shoes because we both have fairly equal number of shoes.
What is the fairly equal number of
And
shoes?
actually, let me go back a few years. When Shahid and I got engaged and he was taking me through his house and he's like, this is what I'm doing and all that, I said, listen, where am I going to put my shoes? So I made him create a shoe closet at that time, which he only came to appreciate later, that to be able to see your shoes and
Yes.
put them properly
Yes.
made sense. So now moving on to the next house.
Right.
And you know, like babies, our shoes have grown and we have more in number. So the
What is the
space-
number? Give me a number. What is approx? How many hundreds are we talking about here?
So
She's like, fucking, I'm not answering that.
so we have this space.
Huh.
Now they are telling us that, you know, we can make 3 cupboards and you can put your shoes in there. So simple, right? One side is mine, one side is yours, and the other one is half and half.
Where are your kids putting their stuff, I wonder?
This is in our room.
Okay, this is in
so
your room.
One cupboard is mine, one cupboard is Shahid's. The middle one is a clear half and half with counted number of shelves. These many for you and these many for me.
जाने से ये ना बीमारी है, it's an illness.
But to be fair, it's very unfair with us girls. We have heels, flats, boots, ballet flats, this type, that type. They're all different types. Guys just wear one type of shoe everywhere. Like, okay, formal, sneakers, slippers, that's pretty much it.
My God, जो comments में तबाही होने वाली है, ये एक comment पे ना.
Our space and square footage is absolutely equal on
Yeah.
paper.
Guys, if that's not hashtag relatable, I mean, if you're married, if you're in a live-in relationship, I mean, please, you have to, like, closet space is sacred.
It is.
It's like bathroom space.
Yeah.
वो
Yeah.
separate हो, closet space.
Bathroom I don't mind, closet no.
Bathroom
It's a
also
war.
has to be like definitely separate.
But I kind of agree with him. The closet space is like, this is mine
Defined.
and that is yours. And
Achha, but Meera, how did this entire journey, like over the last 2-3 years, you become a content creator, you become a YouTuber, you're an investor, you're shining a spotlight on so many homegrown brands. I see all your videos about skin tips and this and that. look at this lovely collage that we put together also where you're, you know, posing for some brands. How did this content creation journey begin for you? Was it like, did it come out of a space where like now I want to put myself out there and I want people to know who the real Meera Rajput Kapoor is?
It's never that I made an effort to be the real me. I am real the way that I am. Like you would see that.
Dila de ghar.
Dila de ghar. I'm like that only. Whatever I put out on social media, whether it's Instagram and now it's YouTube, it's what I feel genuinely. On social media, it's best to be yourself. It's best to be the true version of yourself. So brands and, you know, associations, they came about organically, and I would never associate with someone in whose product or in the person that I don't genuinely believe in.
Yeah, and of course having Shahid as a co-star sometimes can be very entertaining for you on set, as we saw in this clip.
मैडम को स्वेडिंग नहीं होता है लेकिन फिर भी थोड़ा कूलिंग चाहिए मैडम का बाल रॉन्ग साइड हो रहा है मैडम का प्रेशर बढ़ नो मीरा how am I supposed to say it like that?
He did that on purpose. No, and I'm laughing away.
But he seems quite supportive, yeah? It's quite cute the way
It was
he's
a lot
like-
of fun. We had a great time. We always have fun.
I mean, it's nice, like, I mean, to imagine, like, given that you're not an actor and you came from a completely different sort of, I want to say, like, complete, like, whatever, industry, city, everything, to come and adapt to all of this and now be on set and be like, Shahid, stop irritating me. It's quite cute.
No, it was not stop irritating me, but I was trying to say my lines because I was getting really nervous, okay?
Do you get more nervous when he's around?
No, I'm just, in general, I don't want to break into a laugh. It's not that I'll fumble or stumble, I'll just start laughing. If anything would happen, or like the first thing I do is look at the camera, and they say like, don't look at the camera. And I'll just, okay.
Yeah, you don't have to look at those cameras. Look at it. Look.
It's just, I have a tendency to laugh in inappropriate situations. So, so he was saying something and he's like, no. And he did it on purpose. You know, he's like, okay, action. And he's supposed to say, no, Meera. And he gets up and he's like, no. I'm like, what is going on? And I just burst out laughing, and he's done that 3 times in a row, and like an idiot, I didn't catch on to it. That it's going to happen again.
It's good. That's fine. It's fine. The other thing that both of you have hot takes on, I don't know if you know this, you're both OG Delhi darlings. Yeah, दोनों की पढ़ाई दिल्ली में हुई है. And Meera has some.
मैं St. Stephen's गया था for like a month.
Nice.
Yeah.
St. Stephen's and all.
A month.
और भी बड़ा flex है just for a month.
Just for a month. Okay.
आई कार्ड बनवाया और निकल गए.
But Meera has some very hot takes on Delhi versus Bombay.
Oh. See, I'm always laughing at inappropriate time. What is Kalingad? It sounds like a bomb.
Blow dry. In Delhi, there will always be 2 people.
It's true.
One person will be holding the fire, and the other person will be.
True.
It's true.
The other person does it, and they have the superpower. Iran Kakri. He said
Kira. What is kakdi?
In Delhi में kakri दूसरी
Kakadi is a different
हाँ, kakdi वो
vegetable.
पतली वाली.
You know what I'm talking about.
दिल्ली में हम आप बोलते हैं, यहाँ पे तू बोलते हैं.
हाँ,
So
ये
I
तू.
kind of struck a midway and I
तुम.
Tum. Number 4, there are no momos.
Still finding, bro.
Oh God.
100.
You know, there's a colony concept in
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
colony friends. And here you have building friends.
So, हाँ.
ऐसा
Tower
नहीं है
friends.
कि बॉम्बे में मोमोज नहीं मिलते guys.
नहीं मिलते भाई.
नहीं, हमने
दिल्ली
ट्राई
वाले
किया
momos
है
नहीं
आज
मिलते.
कि मतलब आप लोगों के लिए मोमोज देखा अच्छे हैं कि नहीं है वो.
These are not momos, these are dim sums. I know what a momo looks like. I'm so deprived.
मैं रखूं कि नहीं रखूं?
रखो. Thank you, Janice.
Yeah. एक तो मेहमान नवाजी करो उसके बाद पहले ये डिमसम है, ये क्या लेकर आ गई है.
बॉम्बे
ऐसा
आते ही आई
kitchen
थिंक
में
मोमो
जाके
डिमसम
मैं
हो जाता है. मोमो अपने आप को डिमसम बुलाना शुरू
अबे
करता है.
फर्क क्या है भाई, मेरे को फर्क पहले तो दिल्ली वाले मतलब I swear, okay, रात को when I'm sleeping I'm doom scrolling and there are so many videos about just Delhi people eating different kinds of momos.
Yeah.
मतलब मोमो की कोई ऐसी कोई वैरायटी है जो दिल्ली वालों ने छोड़ी नहीं है. पनीर में मतलब डाल दोगे, you all will do some
फ्राई कर
कुरकुरे
लो, ये
fry.
कर लो।
मोमो बेचारे जिन्होंने बनाया भी होगा ना, वहाँ पे भी बना है, उनका नहीं रहा है, दिल्ली का है मोमो।
Have you
That
ever
person
had?
is turning in his or her grave.
Have you
He's
had tandoori momos? Because that's also a
अरे
thing.
चॉकलेट मोमो
guys, no one, first of all, and I'm going to say this in front of two Delhi walas, I don't even like momos.
Should we leave?
I'm sorry.
करना है?
What is so great about momos? ये
क्योंकि आपने दिल्ली के मोमो खाए
And
नहीं
you've
है।
not had it on that paper plate.
और
The
वो
chutney.
guys, मैंने खाया है, I swear मैंने खाया है, और मेरे को बहुत एक्साइटमेंट के साथ लेकर गए थे मेरे दोस्त कि यार तेरी लाइफ बदलने वाली है।
ऐसे ही जैसे हम यहाँ वड़ा पाव खाएगा, लोटस पेट्रोल पंप का वड़ा पाव खाएगा।
लोटस
क्या
पेट्रोल
है?
पंप का वड़ा पाव?
हाँ मतलब
Keep
कौन
it
सा?
Please, and all.
Baksha, you've been taken for a ride, my
नहीं है,
friend.
मिठी भाई वाला भी।
Mithi. Yeah, it's like,
हाँ, क्या है
what's the
वो?
big deal?
No guys, listen to me and please trust me on this.
हाँ.
I've grown up in Bombay.
हाँ,
Kirti College.
हाँ।
That's what I said, Kirti College.
You don't like Kirti College का वड़ा पाव?
You don't
ठीक है।
like Delhi ka momos?
मोमो
This is a real problem, you guys. कीर्ति कॉलेज का वड़ा पाव की मतलब जिसको वड़ा पाव पसंद नहीं है उसको भी कीर्ति को
Yeah.
सचिन तेंदुलकर वहाँ से मंगवाता है अपना वड़ा पाव ऐसे।
अब वो
बादशाह
हमारे
भी मंगाता है
मोमोज कहाँ-
मोमोज।
कौन-कौन
प्रिंस
मंगाता है?
पान से।
What did she just say?
प्रिंस पान।
What the fuck is Prince
We're having
now?
our own convo now.
हाँ, प्रिंस पान, साकेत वाला।
Nathus, have you had chole bhature from Nathus?
नागपाल, छोले भटूरे,
Nagpal,
नागपाल के।
yeah, that's the best.
बॉम्बे की आपने पाव भाजी खाई है? मैं I'm just sitting and defending Bombay for absolutely no
Not
नहीं
good
कर
enough.
पाओगे, नहीं कर
नहीं
पाओगे। It is वो ना उसका डार्क नाइट डायलॉग नहीं था।
क्या?
When unstoppable force collides with an immovable object, ये वो होएगा, तो इसका कोई एंड नहीं है।
तो मतलब फिर लेकिन आप लोग बॉम्बे में रहते हो अभी तो मतलब have you made your peace with
Thank
Bombay?
you so much, Bombay, but we love momos.
Momos or are there any other complaints?
कुछ भी छोले भटूरे नहीं मिलते हैं।
यार
Even
अरे
gulab
यहाँ
jamun,
पनीर
decent
टिक्का
one.
बटर मसाला नहीं मिलता ढंग का।
Why is it so sweet? It's not supposed to be.
इतना तो मुझे भी मानना पड़ेगा कि
So you
बटर
can
चिकन
come
यहाँ पर
home
अच्छा नहीं
and
बना।
we'll make paneer tikka butter masala at home.
हाँ तो मतलब मैंने इस बारे में टॉपिक छेड़ा है तो मुझे इनवाइट मिलेगा कि नहीं?
हमारे मेन्यू पे उस दिन मोमोज रहेगा.
मैं उस दिन कीर्ति कॉलेज के वड़ा पाव लेकर
Okay, done. Potluck.
It's a deal.
Done.
It's a deal.
Done.
Said it on
Done, done,
camera.
done, done.
If this doesn't happen,
डन डन हम
wait,
5
wait,
लोगों
wait.
को बुलाएंगे रैंडम
हाँ.
और उनको टेस्ट कराएंगे।
हाँ.
blind tasting
Blind tasting कराएंगे।
blind tasting करा देंगे
Yeah.
आपको कौन सा क्या पसंद
क्या
है।
पसंद है?
हाँ done. This is a
Yes.
great
It's
idea.
done.
This is a great
Once and for all,
Actual
ये-
हम स्क्रिप्ट में क्या बात कर रहे थे किसी को याद नहीं है. हम चले गए हैं मोमोज वर्सेस वड़ा पाव.
वड़ा पाव।
कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ गाइस
मोमोज
मोमोज
बेटर है या वड़ा पाव? आंसर है मोमोज।
Yes.
सॉरी।
Fine. Just because you're like, I'm outnumbered here on this couch, clearly. Excuse me, you know what Delhi doesn't have but Bombay has?
या स्मेल।
Us right now.
No.
जो
Cleaner air. दिल्ली में जाके ऑक्सीजन मास्क पहनना पड़ता है
नो
सबको.
आई एग्री।
Yeah.
I agree.
So guys, somewhere at least Bombay wins. Meera, how have you? What do you think of the term star wife? मतलब जब भी कोई आर्टिकल लिखता है आपके बारे में वगैरह, I feel like the one thing that irritates me, especially now that you're also out there as a public personality yourself, ये star wife वाला term.
Yeah, I think we ought to get over it now. I mean, maybe it was an association that one needed to make for recall value. But even if you put that on a kid and you say like star kid, like people don't like listening to star kid for all of its nepotistic connotations and all of that. But that term is still in use. Like it needs to kind of find its way out. And likewise, I have never understood the concept of a star wife. What does that mean? Like, you can have an actor or a celebrity or a star who has a wife or a husband. Nobody says star husband. Why is there a star wife?
Exactly. That is my point. No one
Word.
in the whole world says star husband.
Yeah, so I think I don't even pay attention to it.
और बादशाह आपके टूर का नाम पागल क्यों है? मतलब मैंने गूगल किया
Why is it पागल?
रेडी नहीं।
बिकॉज आज मैंने गूगल किया ये मैंने बोला कुछ तो रीजनिंग कुछ
She's
तो
done a lot
कुछ
of research.
Yeah, she has
Yeah.
and legit.
गुड
research.
ना
हाँ, नहीं।
श्रीमी इज वेरी फिल्मी कीड़ा.
पागल टूर इसलिए यार क्योंकि बड़ा सिंपल सा फंडा तो ये था उसका कि जब मैं छोटा था तो
बहुत शरारत करता।
मेरी चोरी पकड़ी जाती, तो जब पकड़ी जाती तो टीचर मुझसे पूछती ये क्या कर रहा है, तो मैं लिखता होता था पोएम्स वगैरह,
हाँ।
इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने की बजाय तो वो लिखता था। तो वो मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ तो वो पढ़ता ही क्या है, पागल है क्या। तो मैं मतलब फिर जब मैं कॉलेज में गया तो मैंने कहा यार, वो सब प्लेसमेंट में बैठ रहे थे ना इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में, तो मैंने कहा यार मैं तो म्यूजिक, तो पागल है क्या, एमबीए सब वो पीयर प्रेशर हो जाता है। फिर जॉब भी लग गई, फिर जॉब में भी ये सोचता था कि म्यूजिक ही करना है, तो सारे बोलते तू पागल है, तुम पागल ही हूँ मैं। तो वो पागलपंती प्रिजर्व करने के लिए एंड टू टेल अ स्टोरी, मतलब लोग सोचते हैं कि ये स्टेज पे आएगा गाना वाना गाएगा, आई थिंक it's a story that I want to tell people while I'm on stage, amongst of course the celebration of the songs that I've done, but also कि it's okay to be pagal.
Yeah.
You should be pagal actually.
You should be pagal.
How many high fives have we given? I think we should do that.
इसका एक separate reel बनेगा।
separate reel.
है ना?
इसका एक सेपरेट रील
Separate
बनेगा।
reel.
मेरे हर सीजन में यही होता है कि तू कितने हाई फाइव देती है, क्यों देती है, जब नहीं देना होता तभी भी देती है। Do you guys also like feel awkward about this entire मतलब selfie culture, social media culture? क्योंकि we're sitting on social media star with Janice, मतलब like now when people come up to you and maybe you're like in a grocery store picking up groceries and they're like, Meera ma'am, can we get a selfie? How do you react to that culture?
I think it's sweet. Like I always see it as an appreciation for, you know, what.
Wow, it's a politically correct answer.
No, but हैं
See,
ऐसे।
सब्जी मंडी में कोई आ गया वहाँ पे सेल्फी लेने, you never get irritated?
मीरा जी सब्जी मंडी क्यों जाएंगे?
I love going to buy my own flowers.
हाँ,
वो फ्लावर्स है तो सब्जी कि मतलब खीरा मत भेजना मेरे
इनका
घर
बस
पे।
चले वैसे सब्जी मंडी भी जाए हैं ऐसे। और मेरे को ना एक बड़ी सही इनकी चीज लगी, जब आप वो स्टार वाइफ वाला क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे थे ना,
हाँ
मुझे जेन्युइनली नहीं लगता। एक तो मैं शाहिद पाजी का बहुत बड़ा फैन, लाइक बहुत बड़ा फैन, मतलब मैं इतना बड़ा फैन हूँ कि जब उनकी कबीर सिंह हिट हुई थी तो मुझे सोहा हाउस में मिले थे, आप भी थे शायद साथ में, तो उनसे ज्यादा खुश मैं था। उनसे ज्यादा खुश था मैंने उनको पकड़ा उठा लिया, और मैं आई थिंक पहली बार मिल रहा था उनसे उस टाइम, और मैं इतना मतलब गाली वाली दी फुल दिल्ली वाला स्टाइल में, मैं क्या ये लाइक
Shahid is in Delhi yet. We are still working on
yeah
it.
we're still working on making him Delhi.
Yes.
Yeah.
तो लाइक दैट्स माय वाइफ। कॉफी विद करण पे आए थे ये,
हाँ
एंड जिस तरह से इन्होंने उनका स्टैंड लिया है ना, मतलब वो मजेदार था। जो करण से क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि शाहिद का नाम क्यों नहीं आता, याद है आपको? मतलब मैं उस टाइम में यार क्या बंदी है यार ये, you can take a girl out of Delhi but you can't take Delhi out of a girl.
Yes.
But with that guys, I think we should move on to our next segment जिसका नाम है शेयर और डेयर। Alright, इस segment का नाम है शेयर और डेयर। You guys have your phones?
Yes.
You're wondering why you have your phones. It's because in this chit, ये नहीं, ये तबला नहीं है, मैंने ये अपने entertainment के लिए नहीं मंगवाया है, ये आप दोनों के बीच में जाएगा। You guys will pick up a chit, give it to me, and whatever's written on it.
Has to be done.
Easy, simple, and super fun and fast, just like Ajio's super fast delivery. चलो कौन जा रहा है पहले? कौन जा रहा है?
आप करो। मैं
मुझे डांस
Stone, paper, scissors करें?
Yes.
हाँ.
Let's do it.
चलो।
Stone, paper, scissors.
The legit way to resolve anything.
अच्छा।
Achha, you read something else then? Share. Who is someone from the film industry you'd like to go out on a date with? कोई भी हो सकता है।
शाहरुख खान।
Good one.
Good one, good one. Even everyone wants to go on a date with Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
It's a long line, long line. मन्नत के सामने जाके खड़ा करना पड़ेगा वहाँ।
हुआ हूँ मैं।
Long.
हुआ हूँ मैं।
Nice. Mira's going for the rad. Dare.
Oh God.
Comment on the Insta post of the first person on your IG feed and say, ये क्या हुआ? कैसे हुआ?
तरह।
कौन है पहले आता है?
इसको
can't
reload
choose.
होने दो।
हाँ, Karan is very good at taking jokes.
करण।
ये क्या? मीरा का comment was do not delete it. Karan
Ask
with his
Karan to
serious
pin it.
glasses. Karan जो है with his
Karan,
serious-
this is a dare.
No. That's not that. No, Mira, no. Just say
fine.
ये क्या हुआ? कैसे हुआ?
हाँ।
I
Question
have.
mark.
अब नीचे एक और करो, कैसे हुआ, फिर करो क्यों हुआ.
Can you do that?
Sure. I have to see. I need to see proof. ये क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ? Okay, she's done it. इसका screenshot ले लेना before she deletes it. Because she's.
अब हो गया.
अब हो गया. Nice one.
Good. डिलीट किया आपने? डिलीट कर दिया. साफ की बात डिलीट कर दिया.
I took a screenshot.
वाह वाह.
I took a screenshot.
Karan, you know she posted that on your freaking Insta post. She commented. Okay.
हाँ.
इनको भी dare दो यार.
Dare. Spam the person you texted last with a photo of your double chin.
I would have done that.
किसको last text किया था? Manager है तो हमको we're not interested.
But you know, the guys they are very smart
Saurabh.
with these beards.
सौरभ बोलेगा ये तो regular है.
Double chin कभी भी नहीं दिखेगा. Like he doesn't have one, but
क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं?
shallow angle.
किसको भेजा आपने?
सौरभ. I texted him.
You cannot send it to your manager.
तो और किसको भेज, जबरदस्ती भेज दूँ किसी को.
हाँ, so last person who's not connected to your work.
सारी वर्क वाले हैं मेरे.
मतलब
सच में?
कोई रियल इंसानों से बात नहीं करते, काम नहीं होता तो बात नहीं करते लोगों से.
हर किसी से काम निकाल लेता हूँ.
अच्छा बताओ.
नए गाने में
गावा लेती हूँ तुम. ब्याह हो गया तुम्हारा.
संगीत कहाँ पे है?
मुझे पढ़ने दीजिए. Dare call someone from your team who's not in the room and tell them you can't shoot for a while because you shaved your eyebrows on the show.
I'm going to call Sunaina, but she'll actually get upset.
Call someone who gets like panicky. Shh. No laughing.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? How's it going?
Good, yeah. Listen,
Huh.
Sunaina, we have had a bit of an issue. So,
Okay.
I know we have some stuff lined up for the next few weeks, but there was some really strange dare and they made me like partly shave off my eyebrows.
What? Where? In this Badsha thing?
Yeah.
No, you could never. You're joking as usual. You're pulling my leg.
I'm not. Sunaina, ask Disha.
You would have been. Your volume would have been on another decibel. How long do I know you for?
Basically.
Yes, it was a dare and they asked me to call someone and I knew you're the only one.
I know you for too long to know that you could not have done this. And if
Yes.
you had, you would not have been so calmly telling me.
So basically, Meera fucked up the dare, okay?
I didn't. She knows me too well. Now, how can you?
You should have been screaming and
फनी
shouting.
चीज पता है क्या है? उन्होंने मेंशन किया आईब्राउ शेव ऑफ कर दिया. अरे बादशाह ने तो नहीं कराया. मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
But yeah, well done. Nicely done.
I've done this for many times.
Last round. Oof. Share the name of a celebrity you've actually spoken to on DM but have never met in real life. No, you already met her in real life when you met her after Kabir Singh at Soho House on top over there.
IRL.
IRL में किससे नहीं मिले आप?
There's this singer Rosalia. She's a Spanish singer. I'm a huge fan of hers. Like we've DM'd, but I've never met her in real life. And
Maybe,
I really wish to.
What
meet
part
her.
of the world is she in?
Right now, maybe US.
Right,
But
right.
otherwise,
So-
she's from Puerto Rico, maybe.
So Bad Boy Shaw coming to US real soon.
Yeah, hopefully.
Last one, Meera. It's not my fault you keep picking up days.
It's fine.
It's not my fault.
Share.
Okay. Which celebrity, other than your husband, now don't take Pati ka naam and all that, posed the best thirst traps? And no, you can't say Shahid, it's written over here also. Thirst traps kiske like really thirsty hai? I'm looking for a male name.
Who is the actor in Bridgerton season 1?
ए यार ये मतलब ये हॉलीवुड चले गई. नहीं, आई एम सेइंग
कौन
कोई
सा
देसी
season one?
बताओ. हमारे देसी मुंडों में क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Siddharth Malhotra.
Say it louder. Say it, what is this?
शक्ति कपूर से बेटर थर्स्ट ट्रैप्स नहीं थे. थर्स्टी ट्रैप थे वो.
यहाँ पे आएगा साइड पे शक्ति कपूर का वो स्टारडस्ट वाला कवर.
But he did that.
Yeah.
Iconic. Yeah, but it's time now for my next segment. It's a question जो मैं अपने आप से भी रोज पूछती हूँ. What were you thinking? Guys, ये segment का नाम है What were you thinking? लेकिन उसके पहले आप सबके लिए एक शानदार performance. Okay, this is Meera Rajput Kapoor recreating some very random ad that we
Yeah.
watch during cricket matches.
Yeah.
And 3, 2,
2,
1, action.
So back in the day, there was this Bingo Mad Angles chips.
Bingo, आप भी check करो.
So they had their ads were like spoofs on other ads. Like it was a really cool campaign. And there's this lady who's supposed to do an ad for a ridiculous product in a telemarketing way. Okay, so she says, "मेरा नाम है Sophia Petranovic. मेरी जिंदगी में कुछ ठीक नहीं था. फिर मेरी जिंदगी में Glad bangles आए." And then at the end she says,
Hook line, hook
मुझे
line.
जरूरत थी मैड एंगल्स की, ग्लैड बैंगल्स की नहीं. Yes.
मिल गया, teaser मिल गया.
Chori. But this is a great way to start this segment because this is actually my favorite segment. It's called What were you thinking?
Okay.
Basically आपने देख लिया ना हम लोग कितना रिसर्च करते हैं.
हाँ.
तो हमने और किया है. We've gone and we've checked out all your rubbish posts, random
Stalked.
posts, stalked you guys. Hardcore stalked. Okay. So now Badshah जो है ना, first of all, Badshah is among the few people who's going down on Twitter with the sinking ship like the rest of us.
Yes.
Okay, हम सब डूब रहे हैं. But it for some reason Twitter really brings out the shit poster in Badshah. Okay, like I want you to read some of these tweets. Favorite actor, my ex. Folk, my life. Some people pay paps to cover them. Can I pay paps to not cover some people? A ship with a ship emoji carries cargo, and a car emoji carries a ship mint. Things are simply complex. Lastly, okay, because there's a reason why this is the most important one.
Yeah.
Will we be the big-headed aliens to life form on Mars?
Yeah.
What is this obsession with Mars? Because you also in an interview said that he actually wants to perform in Mars.
I will.
Or are you back channeling with Elon Musk to be on SpaceX?
He's not the only one going to Mars. There's so many people. But मैं जाऊंगा. Well, I know. I am going to be the first artist to perform live on Mars. For
And
who, I don't know.
That song is going to be called Red.
Red.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's
See, this is
no, that's
That's a good one.
a
huh?
good one.
this is the idea.
This
It
is the
started
idea.
over here. 3 months later,
Yeah.
there's a song.
Yeah.
It's called
3 महीने में तो खैर मार्स नहीं जा रहे. But जब जाएंगे तो
but
रेड
Ghana Red.
Done.
We want credits.
We know me.
ये तो exactly document हो गया तो.
But like, why do you shitpost so much on Twitter?
I
yaar?
love
Can we
that.
go back to that Twitter post?
Who's your favorite actor?
You, my ex.
That went viral by that.
Why do you shitpost so much? It's called shitposting, by the way.
तो मेरा तो सारा ही ट्विटर फिर शिट पोस्ट है.
हाँ.
In
ये
life-
तो हमने मतलब चुने हुए decent वाले निकाले.
तो पता नहीं क्यों. ट्विटर की मेरी टाइमलाइन ऐसी सी मुझे कर देती है कि ये
Twitter did it to me.
Twitter did it too. Are you on Twitter?
No.
Look, no. No. Like, how dare anyone ask me to pay $8 to be blue ticked?
हाँ तो हाँ no.
Meanwhile, Meera Kapoor over here is a massive Schitt's Creek fan. मतलब I feel like उनका आधा तो Instagram is like a fan page for Schitt's Creek. Okay, like can we see some of the clips?
This was too funny, man. It was asking for the croning.
ये मोयरा है. The crows have eyes. Yes, they do.
It was the first and last time I did a fashion reel.
That's the mom, right?
Yeah, the mom.
बस हाँ.
And
Bebe.
the Schitt's
That was the
Creek
biggest moment of my
official
life.
handle replied to you.
Yes. I
And they
love that.
said an honor.
No, they're just being sweet. But
Of course they're being sweet. What else are they being? Like, no, I mean, like, but like, you must like not slept or whatever that
yeah,
night.
it was like I was calling up everyone. You know, sometimes that happens and
Yeah.
you're like, you know what happened? You know what happened?
Yeah.
You know what? Schitt's Creek commented on my post.
Yeah.
And Shahid also is apparently a supporter. Meera Moira hai.
He just doesn't get it. Like he doesn't get
What, he doesn't
why
like Schitt's Creek?
I mean, sometimes so he doesn't
Hold
like
on,
it.
guys. Does Shahid Kapoor not like Schitt's Creek?
I don't think he gets it. But when he starts laughing and it's on, I'm just like, you can't laugh because you don't like it. So why are you laughing? That's not fair.
No, but
you
same
either
happened
like
with
it
me.
and
Like
laugh.
it was always on. I never got into it. मतलब मेरी बहन देखती थी, मेरे आसपास बड़े लोग देखते थे, but it's funny when you watch it. It's funny.
It's a great show.
हाँ, but
Schitt's
ऐसा नहीं है
Creek
कि
is
मैं देखूं, like finish करूं उसको.
What?
मतलब it's
You've
not,
not finished Schitt's Creek?
Do you know how many times I have watched it
I
over
know,
and over again?
I respect the जज्बा, but हुआ नहीं. मतलब
You know, I love this because for the first time, Meera and I are on one side and you are on the other side as
I think
compared to
I've
you.
seen all the seasons start to finish.
मैंने
at
बस वहाँ
least
तक
All
देखा।
the
11
seasons,
times.
I watched the documentary
Yeah,
that
yeah,
they did
yeah.
after
Wow.
that.
Best
Good,
wishes,
good.
Special
warmest regards.
episode.
वाह
Yeah.
जी वाह.
We are
Very
hardcore
good,
Schitt's
wow.
Creek fans sitting on this
जय
couch.
माता दी.
Yes.
Yeah. And with that, let's move on to our next segment. Alright guys, ये मेरा brand new game segment जिसका नाम है Ajio Add to Cart. Games के रूल बड़े सिंपल है. Okay, what's happening is that मैंने आप दोनों के लिए already categories चुन लिए हैं products के. वो category के products के pictures इस tablet पे load हो चुके हैं.
Okay.
One by one, you guys will come here and you will act out those products and obviously the other person will guess.
Okay.
Every time you guess correctly, in this shopping cart, you get to put a colorful ball.
How sweet.
How sweet.
How
Right?
sweet.
And इसके लिए आपको मिलेंगे 60 seconds each.
Okay.
Okay.
Obviously you cannot talk, you have to mime or you have to do dumb charades. Point थोड़ा कर लो. और अगर आपने bad acting या bad guessing की guys, then that's not my fault because there are no retakes or refunds over here. This is not the Ajio app जहाँ पर आपको मिलता है easy return and doorstep refund.
Okay.
Who's going to go first?
I went first before. Now you have to go first.
Got it. ठीक.
Actually, he went first before also.
You did?
But it's fine. He doesn't have a problem. Bacha, this is your category. Don't start until I go. Okay, okay.
तो at random कर सकता हूँ ना मैं कोई भी किसी की भी एक्टिंग
हाँ,
सारे प्रोडक्ट्स में से
हाँ.
ठीक है
Okay, Bittu ready?
रेडी
Go.
Tattoo. Teddy bear.
Wait, until she puts the ball in next time, I'm not giving time.
अच्छा
huh?
हाँ
Okay, I
put the
have
ball
to
in.
do it. Book, writing, pen, copy.
Tell her the category.
क्या है कैटेगरी
बच्चों की चीजें.
हाँ बच्चों की चीजें
Oh, story book, sticker book, pencil, coloring book,
या
Put the ball. Put the ball. हाँ.
बच्चों की चीजें सॉरी
milk bottle, water bottle,
या
playing car, the ride-on car, remote control car, bumper car.
Wow, Meera.
Yeah, playing car.
But what is it called? What is it?
It's called a car.
No, not
Hot
given.
Wheels.
टॉय कार
I said,
No, you did not. No. And
Backpack, school
time
bag.
up. Time up.
Yes.
Time up.
Got it.
कितने हो गए 4
टॉय कार नहीं बोला इसने.
मैंने
तो
playing
यार
car
प्लेइंग
बोला
कार
है।
हो गया ना सेम ही चीज है आजकल बच्चे
हमें
टॉय नहीं बोलते
Fine.
I literally said playing car, ride-on car, remote control, hot
सारे
wheels,
तो
everything.
बोल दिए हाँ
ठीक.
अच्छा ऐसे
Okay.
करना था
Yes.
Okay.
not bad very very
No,
well
my-
I'm just saying. Okay, Meera.
Wait. The category is gym wear.
gym oh
Okay, and your time starts now.
pajamas leggings track pants
Okay.
sports bra
Yeah.
gym top cut sleeves t-shirt t-shirt
Yeah.
hoodie
Yeah.
shoes sneakers jacket
Yeah.
zipper
Jacket.
Jacket.
skirt
No.
shorts
Yeah.
cycling shorts gym bag
Yeah.
gym shoes sneakers जिसमें डालते हैं
next one.
हाँ zipper water bottle
Yes. Last one.
laces
And then
नहीं पता pass
हाँ।
Time.
socks.
Socks ऐसे क्यों नहीं किया?
ये क्या शूज के ऊपर सॉक्स कर देते हैं
उसके अंदर क्या है? Shoes के अंदर क्या है?
सीधा सॉक्स कर देते हैं तो और क्या पहनेगा बंदा पैर में
But not bad.
But not bad.
Not
Meera,
bad
I
at
think
all.
you. Okay, chal, let's count the number of balls.
हाँ.
1, 2, 3, 4. These balls are all over the place.
nice
5,
नीचे गिरा था
6, 7, 8,
अंदर 10 थे.
9, 10, 11,
14.
12, 13, 14. Alright, that was a very ballsy performance, you guys. काफी सारे balls थे.
Yeah.
I mean, some balls were dropped here and there
Yeah.
also.
Colourful
but
balls,
Yeah,
yeah.
colorful balls.
Yeah.
Well done, well done.
Yeah.
Balls ke liye taaliyan. All right, on that note, for that ballsy performance, of course, I have hampers from my friends at Ajio. This is for you, Badshah.
Thank you.
And
Thank
this is for you, Meera.
Thank
Anshul.
you, Janice.
You're welcome. You can see if you like any. You can open it chupke se and you can see if you like what you've got.
Oh, what fun!
And guys, don't forget, if you download the Ajio app, you can get 500 rupees off on your first purchase. I hope you guys had a ball. But I like to end the show by asking my guests, because you guys come from different spaces, to teach each other something before you leave.
Okay.
And since Badshah has already shown tremendous amount of interest in your facial and skin routine,
Yes.
I feel like what you're going to teach him is ideal.
Okay.
You want to tell him?
I'm going to teach you how to do a firming face massage.
I need that.
So you use your knuckles, this part, okay? And you use this part of your to go.
दाढ़ी खराब हो जाएगी. But मैं समझ गया.
समझ गया ना? और ये सेम चीज जो है यहाँ पे इसको ऐसे like hold it here.
Does this work?
Okay, try it in an easier way. Put your hands, your fingers up right on top of your forehead. Now you
समझ गया.
हाँ पर उधर नहीं, अपने cheek bones के नीचे डालो. हाँ,
Oh.
like
सब
that.
मेकअप हट रहा है मेरा.
ठीक है?
Okay.
And then pull it. Yeah.
मीम बना देंगे आपको कोई इसका वो.
Please look at those cameras.
हाँ ये पता है.
ये तो पता
But ऊपर करना है नीचे करना है.
है. मैं तो दोनों करती हूँ. They say don't
कितनी
do it
देर करना है
downwards.
ये?
Just check on my YouTube channel. पूरा है उधर.
Oh, subtle flare. Like drop, drop, drop,
but-
drop, 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 drop.
But yeah, this one is really helpful. And even when you have like puffy eyes,
Yeah.
like that.
Easy.
I'd like to see Meera rap.
Oh, okay.
Easy, हाँ.
हाँ, easy.
Easy.
बड़ा दिल्ली वाला रैप करें.
हाँ.
काम के अलावा कुछ सूझता ही नहीं. तेरे जैसे को तो लौंडा पूछता ही नहीं. लोग बनते शाने फेवर के चक्कर में फ्री में तो भाई तेरा मुद्दा भी नहीं.
Can I just go with ये लड़की पागल है, पागल है, पागल है, पागल है.
अच्छा, पहले दो लाइन वापस से बताइए. I think पहले दो लाइन हम रख
नहीं
सकते हैं.
आप करो कि तेरी मम्मी की जय क्या चीज बनाई दूध पे जैसे आई हो मलाई चिटी चिटी बैंग बैंग चिटी कलाई तेरी आग लगा दे जैसे दिया सलाई. हो जाएगा.
I don't think I can do what. हाँ.
You can. But ऐसे ही करना
One
है.
line, Badshah, you're not
One
teaching a
line.
full verse.
The first one ना.
तेरी
हाँ, दिल्ली.
मम्मी की जय.
नहीं, उससे पहले वाला जो.
वो वाला.
वो दिल्ली वाला. हाँ, वो
अच्छा.
उसके
Not the
पहले दो
last two
lines.
lines.
हाँ, अच्छा.
पहले दो लाइन.
काम के अलावा कुछ सूझता ही नहीं.
काम के अलावा कुछ सूझता ही
नहीं काम के अलावा कुछ सूझता ही नहीं.
काम के अलावा कुछ सूझता ही नहीं.
हाँ जैसे आप उससे बस कंडक्टर से बात कर रहे हो. काम के अलावा कुछ सूझता ही नहीं.
काम के अलावा कुछ सूझता ही नहीं.
हे, तेरे जैसे को तो लौंडा पूछता भी नहीं.
तेरे जैसे लौंडे को कोई
तेरे जैसे लौंडों को तो कोई पूछ.
तेरे जैसे को तो
तेरे जैसे को तो कोई पूछता ही नहीं.
लौंडा पूछता ही नहीं. तेरे जैसे को तो मीरा पूछती ही नहीं.
तेरे जैसे को तो मीरा पूछती ही नहीं.
बहुत ही सही.
पूरा करना है.
नहीं इतना ही ठीक है.
Yeah,
Next
Meera's
class.
like, Meera's like, chalo, okay, guys.
Next class.
Energy, well done, well done, well done. But guys, first episode wrapped. This was too much fun. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Badshah Meera. Thank you for being my first guest on this season. And for all of you watching at home, I just want to tell you that I hope you watch this episode very, very closely, because the cool people at Ajio are running a really fun contest on their Instagram page at Ajio Live. आपको क्या करना है? एपिसोड देखना है, वहां पर जाना है, कॉन्टेस्ट एंटर करना है, एंड 5 lucky winners stand a chance to win vouchers worth 5,000 rupees from Ajio. So what are you waiting for? एपिसोड देखो, Ajio पे जाओ, Instagram पेज पे.
You are starting.
अच्छा. Hi, I am Badshah,
Hi guys, this is Meera and we're on the show with Janice.
सोशल मीडिया स्टार. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें मोमोज फॉर लाइफ.